Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Sagittarius. So, these are for your general energy, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Sagittarius. So let's see what are these cards. We have clover, snake, and ring. So Sagittarius, in your situation, guys, maybe you are moving towards some changes in your situation, some positive changes. It may be a promotion, or it may be the next step in this connection. Maybe you are moving towards engagement or marriage. Maybe this person has proposed to you. You are planning to get engaged or married, or it may be in your work. You are taking up a higher position in work, a better position with a lucrative pay. So some positive changes, some deeper responsibilities you are moving into, guys. And in your situation, there are people working with you, guys. Maybe they act as your friend, they pose as your colleague or family member, but their intentions may not be good. And because of this luck reaching you, you are extremely lucky for this chance in your situation. Maybe this is totally unexpected, this promotion or this engagement or marriage, that is totally unexpected, and no one expected these lucky changes for you, Sagittarius. But it has happened, it has reached you, and you are happy for it, you are enjoying this. And maybe if in your situation it has not reached you yet, guys, if you have not yet got that promotion or some positive offers or opportunities, you need not worry. You are going to get that very soon, guys, and you are going to be extremely lucky, Sagittarius. But you should be careful with the people around you, because there are people in your situation who are like your friends, who act like your friends or family, but they are quite envious, jealous of you, and they have evil intentions and evil motives. So you need to be careful. They are simply jealous of your success, of your happiness, and you need to avoid such people in your life, guys. If you have a vague idea who it is, you need to stay away from that person, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is cross. So maybe in your relationship, you have done a lot, you have sacrificed a lot for this love, a lot for this person, and you have taken everything on your shoulders for this love, to be with this person. And today maybe you both, or you yourself, are finding comfort in some kind of a spiritual practice, or what to say, a religion, maybe, guys, a belief. Or for some of you, you love this person, but what you get from them, what you get back from them, may not be love. So there may be some misunderstandings, difficulties, and you may feel that this is a karmic connection for some of you, guys. This love is fated, and that is the reason you are there with them. But you need not worry, guys. This love is there only to bring some positive changes in yourself, maybe some spiritual growth and evolution, Sagittarius. That is what I see with this card, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. Choices. So looks like you have lot of opportunities coming your way. So maybe the good luck we were speaking about, it may be something to do with your career situation, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card here. It says all that glitters. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe in your situation, in your relationship, the circumstance calls for you to see the truth, the genuine truth behind what this person is speaking or what they are showing you, guys. The need to see beyond the superficial. Maybe sometimes we try to impress people and we we act or behave in such a way that is not true to our true nature. So we add more drama and we make ourselves more appealing to the other person. We try to hide behind that sparkle and shine. And also sometimes we fail to see the true nature or the truth in that person when we often go for glitz and glamour, guys, which is so desirable. So we often miss the people who are truly genuine towards us. So it is time to look beyond the surface. That is what this card is about, beyond the mask, to see the essence of that other person and who that person is, not what he or she can give you. That is what is important, guys, the true essence of that person. So only if you connect with that true essence, with that truth, you are going to be able to truly connect with that other person. So you should not think of what this person can do for you. You should see what they are truly. So this is the time for you to see them with your heart. Let go of that artificial shine and sparkle that you see that is visible to you, and go for that authentic shine, what they are truthfully in their heart of hearts. So this may be your energy or that person's energy, guys. Maybe you are trying to hide something about yourself or they are trying to hide something about themselves. So you need to go for truth. That is what this card is about, guys. Genuinity, authenticity, that is the card for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is fair, brown and trembling gifts. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, you need not accept the fate what other people have allotted for you. You need to overcome your shyness and all that you have done, all that you have faced for this person, that humiliation and whatever pain you have endured, it has brought you something today, some positive changes today, and you need not accept what other people think of you, and you need not value the people who do not value you or respect you. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who protect you, who respect you, and who will fight for you and search for you if you are not there. So you need to be with people who are there with you no matter what, and who love you for what you are and respect you genuinely, guys. So that is what this card is about. So who value you the most and who love you the most. And so even within your family or close friend circle, people really envy you, they are jealous of your gifts or the way things are in your situation. And you need to understand that your good fortune or gifts or whatever positive things you possess has been given to you, and it is your gift to enjoy, guys. You need not give away this happiness to someone else, because they may not realize its worth and they may not enjoy the fruits of your rewards, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who truly respect you and care for you, and you need not listen or respect to people who just see you as someone who can bear everything, who can take all humiliation, and you should not let others to use you. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the meaning of this card. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.